Hey everyone, it's Hannah and I'm back with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a comment to a cell in Microsoft Excel. It's a simple but useful feature that can help you keep track of important information in your spreadsheets. To get started, select the cell where you want to add the comment. Once you've selected the cell, head over to the Review tab at the top of the Excel window. Next, click on the New Comment button to create a comment for that cell. You can then type in your comment in the pop-up box that appears. For example, you might want to leave a note asking someone to double-check a particular number. Once you've typed in your comment, click outside of the box to close it. To view the comment, simply hover your mouse over the cell and it will appear in a pop-up box. If you want to see all the comments in your worksheet, you can click on Show All Comments under the Review tab, and that's it. Adding comments to your Excel spreadsheet can be a great way to keep track of important information and make sure nothing gets missed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.